The table below displays data regarding the median age of men at first marriage in 1970 and in 2007. Now, before we go to the question, the year 1970, the median age of men then at first marriage was 23.2. In 2007, it's 27.7. So even before you answer the question, you can see the median age is rising. What are we asked to find? Use the two data points to find a linear function that fits the data. We'll let x equal the number of years since 1970 and a equal the median age at first marriage, x years from 1970. Now when x equals the number of years since 1970, 1970 will correspond to 0, and 2007 will correspond to 37. So instead of 1970, we use 0. Instead of 2007, we use 37. This is commonly done just so we aren't working with as large numbers. So the points we're looking at then are 0, 23.2, that's x and a, and 37, 27.7. The slope, m, would be 27.7 minus 23.2 divided by 37 minus 0, which simplifies to 4.5 divided by 37. And when we do that division, let's round to the nearest thousandth. We would have 0.122. Now we need to write the function, and the function would be a of x equals mx plus b. Well, here's m, 0.122 times x plus, and we are given the y-intercept 0, 23.2, so we write 23.2. And this is a linear function that fits the data. Now there's another part to this question. We are asked to use the function to estimate the median age of men at first marriage in 2 years, 2008 and in 2015. So let's first of all write the function we found. A of x equals 0.122x plus 23.2. And then we just defined x as not the year, but the number of years since 1970. So for 2008, x would equal 2008 minus 1970, or 38. It's 38 years since 1970. And 2015, x would equal 2015 minus 1970, or 45. So what we need to find then is a of 38, which gives us 0.122 times 38 plus 23.2, which calculating and rounding would be about 27.84 years. And a of 45 would be 0.122 times 45 plus 23.2, and this equals 28.69 years. So the median age in 2008 is 27.84 years. In 2015, 28.69 years. And notice that they are continuing to rise, is what we saw when we looked at the data.